it is extremely important, not just for Tajikistan and Pakistan, that there's peace in Afghanistan, but especially for the long-suffering people of Afghanistan. For 40 years, there has been conflict in the country, and it has caused immense suffering for the people there. So we discussed how, given the current situation, how we can ensure or try our best that there is peace and stability in the future. And one of the conflicts which is worrying us, worrying you, I know, worrying us in Pakistan, is the conflict in Panjshir between the Tajik and the Taliban. And we resolved today that we will try our best. You, Mr. President, will try your influence with the Tajik, and we will try our best with the Pashtun or the Taliban. We will try our best to make them resolve their differences through dialogue. And we will urge on them that it's important for the sake of Afghanistan that there is an inclusive government. Unless there is an inclusive government in a country which is diverse, there are Pashtuns and 45%, then there's a huge Tajik minority in Afghanistan, then there are Uzbeks, then there are Hazaras. So a sustainable peace in Afghanistan can only come if there is an inclusive government. Urge them as friends of Afghanistan that they must resolve this, especially this issue which is now erupting between the Tajik and the Taliban in the Panjshir Valley. And we will also urge them on humanitarian grounds, they must, if they open the blockade, so humanitarian aid can go through.